should be in power is left to be determined by the people, as it must be. If the system is to satisfy the test of democracy. Constitutional Assembly of India convened to prepare the Constitution of India, appointed a subcommittee led by Gopinath Bardoli. Draft Constitution is framed only providing machinery for the government of the country. It is not a contrivance to install any particular party in power, as has been done in some countries. Who should be in power is left to be determined by the people. The system is to satisfy the test of democracy. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitutional Assembly of India convened to prepare the Constitution of India, appointed a subcommittee. National Assembly. Headed by the Gopinath Bardoli, which of the following subcommittee headed by the Gopinath Bardoli, which of the following recommended by the committee? Constitution of District Council in all autonomous districts of Assam. 6 scheduled for the northeast frontier Assam, tribal and exclude area. Constitution of District Council in all autonomous districts of Assam. All autonomous districts of Assam. Constitution of a District Council. 6 scheduled for the northeast frontier, tribal and exclude area. Which of the following is not central tenet of the Constitution of India? Gives official status to certain regions. Central tenet of the Constitution of India. Consider the following statement. According to Hindu law, marriage is defined as a sacrament. The Hindu law, marriage is defined. What is the major difference between the written and unwritten constitutions? Written constitution is the formal source of all constitutions law in the country, and the unwritten constitution is not the formal source. The written constitution is entirely codified, whereas the unwritten constitution is not codified. Consider the following statement about democracy. It consists with the formation of government elected by people. In democracy, the democracy, those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Each vote has one value. Those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Fair chance of losing. Democracy. This is the following statement about the formation of the Constituent Assembly. Following statement. Formation of the Constituent Assembly. Members of the Constituent Assembly were chosen on the basis of provincial election of 1946. Provincial elections. British province and Indian Princely State. Elected by the Princely State. Which of the following pairs incorrectly matched? 9 December 1947. Correctly matched 26 November. People of India adopted, enacted, gave themselves the constitution. Adopted, enacted, gave to themselves. 24 January 1950 Constitution finally signed by the member of the Constituent Assembly. Finally signed. 26 January 1950. The date of commencement of the Constitution. Constitution. Commencement of Constitution. Fundamental rights. USA. Parliamentary system of government. UK. Emergency provision. Emergency. Germany. Defense policy. Ireland. Ireland. Constitution of District Council in all autonomous districts of Assam. Constitution of District Council. 6 schedule of the northeast frontier Assam. Tribal and exclude area. Draft constitution as framed only provides a machinery for the government of the country. It is not a contrivance to install any particular party. Amendment of the Constitution of South Africa. Deity principle. Deity principle. Irish Constitution. Emergency. Emergency. Constitution of Germany. International relation. Constitution of Canada. Canada. B.R. Ambedkar. Drafting Committee. S.C. Mukherjee. Rajendra Prasad. Steering Committee. Jawaharlal Nehru. States Committee. S.C. Mukherjee. S.C. Mukherjee. Minority Subcommittee. Jawaharlal Nehru State Committee. Minority Subcommittee. State Committee. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which one of the following is not the Indian form of socialism? Radical socialism. Radical socialism. India. Radical socialism. Which one of the following is not a character of secular state? Secular state character refuses theocracy, religious government. It separates religion from the state. Secular state. It must prevent religious conflict and promote religious harmony. It prevents religious conflict. Religious harmony. Theocracy. Refuses theocracy name. State in order to be secular must be democratic. State prevent religious conflict. Which of the following schedules the Constitution of India provides the setting of a autonomous district councils? Sixth schedule autonomous district council Northeast state Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Mijoram, Meghalaya. So following regarding tenure of elected members of the autonomous district councils. Nature of elected member of autonomous district council. 5 years. 5 years from the date of appointed for the first meeting of the council after the elections. And the following regarding the tenure of elected members of autonomous district council. 5 years from the date appointed for first meeting of the council after the election. First meeting. Sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution contains provision for the administration of tribal area. Meghalaya. Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Mijoram, not Meghalaya. Correct. Socialist in the preamble of the Constitution India read with Article 23 would enable the court to reduce inequality of income and status. Article 23. Socialist in the preamble of the Constitution. Socialist. Wait. Article 23. No. Actually, 23, 24, Article 23, 24, below 14 years are not engaged in any hazardous industry. Human trafficking. Socialist in the preamble of the Constitution of India. What socialist?